got a Cosmo in the shade here. We've got a chef cooking noodles in here.
2-minute noodle chef.
2-minute noodle chef. A lovely hammock here. And our beautiful backyard for the next couple of days. Who are these two handsome fellas in the hammock? Nobody home?
Nobody home.
It's going to sun itself. I think all it wants to do is find a high place.
Oh, maybe a month. We haven't booked the return yet.
Alright, it'll just disappear.
Sorry.
Cosmo and I are just sitting here on the beach. It's called Binn Beach. It's near Cape Conran. Rowan's just gone to grab his surfing gear and popping his wetsuit on so he can go for a surf because it's looking a bit calmer today, so that's nice. So Cosmo and I are just sitting under this beautiful tree waiting for him to come back, and we might go run along the beach some more. What you up to, Cosmo? Are you digging? Yay! Good job! Yay, Cosmo! Cosmo is so cute. He's just sitting there waiting for Rowan. Oh, fine. He'll be out soon. He's okay. Let's go!
Write it now, 2022.
Oh, you have a ladder?
2022, very nice.
No, I'm going to light them and give them out.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's definitely a hot one for the first day of the year. It's 30 degrees here. We're in Lakes Entrance, I think it's called, this beautiful beach town. We're just at a laundromat at the moment. You can tell I am so sweaty. It is so hot today. Cosmo's had it. Rowan's just doing a shop at the moment, and then we're gonna go find somewhere to stay tonight, and then we're gonna head over to, what's it called? Traralgon. I am not doing well. Once it gets past like 27 degrees, I turn into a tomato and I complain a lot. So that's how my day's going. It looks like Rowan isn't even breaking a sweat, which is amazing for him, but I don't know how. This path is the remains of some tramway track thing, and it says down here, legend has it that the blocks were casualties of the last load taken down on a Friday afternoon, and the workers raced the tram along the tracks in order to reach the pub before closing time. How crazy. There are my boys up there. They're waiting for me. I better go. What's he doing, bud? What's he doing? We're trying to run back on this loop.
We did about 400 metres.
400 metres, is that all?
Yeah, it wasn't very far.
It literally felt like 5Ks. Anyway, to avoid the mosquitoes. Not a runner, clearly. I got bitten so many times on this walk. Like 5 times on this arm, 5 on this one, like 1,000 on my ankles. What about you?
Not on this walk. I got a bunch from yesterday.
If you ever come to the log crossing picnic area, beware of the mosquitoes. Top tip.
Darby's top tips.
Darby's top tips. Do you have a top tip?
Wear shoes.
Wear shoes. Rowan's top tip, wear shoes. When we get reception, we're going to register the van and register for the Tasmania e-travel pass thing that you need to get in these days. So we'll see how that goes. We met this we met this great guy at our campsite last night. No, he was great. He was a great guy.
He thought he was a serial killer.
We thought he was a serial killer at first, but he turned out to be a really nice guy. His name is Jeff, and he's been living at this beautiful campsite for about 3 months now. Go have a holiday with Jeff because he's honestly great. Jeff's at Binn Beach and he will sharpen your knives, he will do anything handyman that you need him to do because he's got all the tools, he's got a million bolts, as he says.
His friend Darren might. He did look sketchy.
Oh, one of these guys told this joke that was just...
extremely misogynistic.
Yeah,
And
extremely.
said, call me a feminist, thinking that meant misogynistic.
If you're ever in the area of Binn Beach on the Victorian Coastline, definitely go check out Jeff and his mates. Just be wary.
What is going on?
We literally just drove like over an hour down a dirt road and it is packed. There's at least 50 cars around here.
Oh, it's not that.
Do you reckon like 100?
It's up that way as well.
Oh
Right
yeah.
down the road.
And there's tents on the side here. Jeez.
It's like a village.
Can't believe it. Can you believe it, Cosmo?
What am I seeing now? This place had like one review.
Yeah. How is it so popular?
Should take one. Hey Cosmo, what have you been doing? Oh.
You're a different color. Oh. Cosmo, here. Come here. Oh. Now have a look at these socks. Guess who did it? Cosmo. Tonight we're having a banana split sundae thing. Doesn't look very pretty in this bowl, but I'm sure it'll taste delicious. Thanks, chef.
No worries.
We parked in this random paddock last night because we couldn't find anything else and everywhere was packed. And now we've just woken up to like probably 100 cows just mooing their heads off. It's crazy. Wikicamps, Air Camp and Google Maps have led us to this supposed campsite. It's the middle of the jungle. It's along a river and we're parked on the side of the road. We will not be staying here because this is dangerous. Can anyone recommend a better campsite app for Australia? That would be greatly appreciated. We're currently walking around in this beautiful area of Morwell River Falls in Victoria. We're trying to look for a campsite for the night because Cosmo has a vet appointment in Traralgon on the 4th. I think that might be tomorrow. But yeah, it's a beautiful area as you can see behind me, and Rowan's just popped the drone up to see if there's any campsites nearby. But yeah, we're not liking our luck at the moment, but it's such a pretty little jungle area. We haven't seen anybody on this path all morning. It's like all these beautiful ferns and everything. It's probably one of the prettiest drives we've ever done. I think we're going to chuck the GoPro on the bonnet and film the drive back because I want you guys to see it too. It's so pretty. And if you ever get the chance to come here, I highly, highly recommend. Just come to the Morwell River Falls Reserve. We're going to do this quick little walk and hopefully see some waterfalls. We're just at the servo now, filling up, and we're going to make our way over to Melbourne, and so then we'll be able to catch the Spirit of Tasmania from there, and all should be good. Diesel's pretty cheap here actually. Rowan's just filling up like the amazing man he is. Cosmo's just having a nap here after his vet appointment, and yeah, that's all we've got to say for this week. Thank you so much for watching the video. We have so much fun making them, and we hope to make more for you soon. See you next week. Bye!